Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope everyone are fine and healthy. Today, I am going to start a new lesson for second standard from English subject. So, what is the lesson name? The Cock and the Sun. The Cock and the Sun. Already, I have done one lesson and poem, and this is the second lesson from the English subject. And which lesson is this? What is the name of the lesson? The Cock and the Sun. This lesson is very interesting, children. You will enjoy this lesson. Okay, next. Open to your page number 19. Page number 19. The lesson name. What is the lesson name? Today I am starting you new lesson for second standard. What is the lesson name? The Cock and the Sun. The Cock and the Sun. Okay. Will you open the page, children? Okay. And take out your pencil with you and be underlining the difficult words along with that. And please keep your fingers where I read. Open to your page number 18 and 19. Okay. Before going into the lesson, I'll do this exercise for you. This exercise, you will know the further lesson also. So first, page number 18, you can see, can you see the pictures here, children? And you have the what do you have? Fill in the blanks with the cry of these animals. Animals once in done for you. So you have to tell, you have to write here how these animals make sound. How these animals make sound. So already they have done one for you. Roar like a lion. So how the lion roars? How does the lion make sound? Roar. Roar. Next, A you have like a horse. Neigh. Neigh like a horse. Next, B you have what? Quack like a duck. How does the duck make sound for you? Quack, 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 quack. No, children? Have you seen ducks? Have you seen all these animals, children? I hope everyone would have seen these animals. You can find in your neighborhood also. You can see like a horse. You can see dogs, like pigs, and the sheep's goat, all these you can see in your neighborhood also. So what how does this dog make sound for you? How does the how what do you say? The dog barks. The dog barks. You know, how does it make sound? Bow wow. Bow wow. No, children? Okay. Next, D you have like a pig dash. How does the pig sound make the sound? Grunt. 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 And the E dash like a goat. Bleat. Bleat like a goat. Next, F1, if you have like a dash like a snake, how it makes sound? Hiss. Hiss. I think you would have heard this sound. Next, dash like a cow. I think you have seen the cow, and I think you have heard the sound of the cow also. How does it make sound? Moo. 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 No, children? Yes. Next, H like dash like a sparrow. Chirp. How you have seen, no, early in the morning you can see the sounds of the bird. Okay. Next, dash like a monkey. How does the monkey? Chatter. How does it make the sound? Chatter. Okay, children, did you understand? Okay, I'll be sending this exercise for you also in the WhatsApp. Next, we'll go into the lesson now. So I'm doing the lesson. What is the lesson name? Go to your page number 19. The Cock and the Sun. This lesson is very interesting, children. I hope so you will enjoy this lesson. So shall we move on for the lesson, children? Okay, keep your fingers, children. Once the sun wanted to meet all the animals and the bird in the forest to know them personally. So once the sun, you know who get up early in the morning? I told the cock and the sun. So the sun wanted to meet all the animals in the forest, not in the city or in the town. All these animals, so you can see the wild animals. I'll further, after moving into the lesson, I'll tell you which animals are included in this lesson. Okay, so here you can see all the animals were staying in a forest all together. So what happened one day? The son thought, why should I not meet all the animals? Because he wanted to be friend. He wanted to what? Make friendship with them. Who wanted to make friendship? The son wanted to make friendship with them. So what he did, the son wanted to meet all the animals and the birds. Animals, along with the animals, the son wanted to meet even the birds in the forest to know them personally. Personally means to know them particularly. Know them particularly. He wanted to know one by one all of all the animals. He wanted to know personally he wanted to speak them, he wanted to know them, how the animals are, like all the animals, like lion, tiger, like peacock, all the birds also. I've told you know, not only the animals, even the birds, who the sun wanted to meet. You know, children, you know the sun, no? Should I tell you where the sun is? Where the sun is? Where do you see the sun? We see the sun in the sky. We see the sun in the sky. So what is the cock? So here the cock is the male gender of the, that is for hen, what do you call, the female gender is hen, and the cock is the male gender of this bird. Okay, it is a bird. So here the cock is also known as a rooster, because in the early morning, who crow that the crowing of the cock, the crowing of the cock. We hear the crowing of the cock in the early morning. That is in the early morning means in 4 o'clock. It starts crowing early in the 4 o'clock only. It makes you get up, no children? What do you hear early in the morning when you get up before the sunrise? Before the sunrise, you hear the sound of the cock crowing. It tells you get up. Now how it makes sound? Kukuduku, kukuduku. No children? Yeah, how it make tell back of me. Say back of me how it make the sound. Kukuduku. Early in the morning, no children? Yes. Okay. I hope so. Everyone would have seen hen and the cocks also. No. Where do you get this eggs? From where? From which you get eggs? The eggs will give the hen. A hen will give what? Eggs. Hen will give what? Eggs. Here the cock is also known as rooster, because in the early morning it starts crowing. It starts crowing. So he asked them to gather near the big rock in the forest at 6 o'clock the next morning. So he asked them, all the animals and the birds. The sun wanted to meet all the animals and the bird. So he told them to gather. Gather means to join or assemble. To join or assemble near the big rock. Rock means it is a big stone. It is like a small hill. It is like a small hill where you see, where you see all the animals are gathered to speak together. So here what he said, the sun said to all the animals to gather at 6 o'clock the next morning, because he wanted to know them what particularly, that is personally. The leaves were happy to hear the sun would be out. So here who was very happy? The leaves were very happy, because early in the morning the leaves will start shining after the sunlight. They start shining after the sunrise. You know, no, the plants or the trees first need what? Water and the sunlight. Sunlight is very necessary for the plants to grow. So here the leaves were very happy to see his what? To see the sun in the early morning. You know, no, if the sun doesn't rise, what will happen? So here, if the sun want to meet in the early morning, he has to come out. So he has to come out. That is in the morning. That is in the morning. So here the leaves were very happy to see the sun, to come and meet the leaves also. But animals had their own views and own views. They were telling. So animals, what they started to gossip. They started to tell view when they started to tell. So why he want to talk, why the sun is calling all the animals and the birds to talk. They started talking, means they had a conversation. They started talk to each other about the sun, why he is inviting us. So next they started expressing their ideas, conveying expressing means they started to convey their ideas. They started to tell their idea what it was. So what time the sun told to come for all the animals? 6 o'clock in the animals. So they started to tell their that is view. So some were happy to come at the 6 o'clock, some were not happy to come at the 6 o'clock, because you can see only the cock was the one who get up early before the sun. No children, who comes before the sun? The cock. The cock will get up early in the morning before the sun rises. So here they started to express why the sun is calling. They started to that is conversation was going between the animals. They started to convey. They started to tell their ideas. In the morning, it was turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion. So who started to talk here? Discussion. The peacock. You have seen peacock, children? Peacock is a beautiful bird. It is the national bird of India. Children, have you seen peacock anywhere? I hope so many would have seen peacocks. You can see peacocks in the zoos, in the forest, maybe near your villages also. In the early morning, you can see the peacocks also, because peacock is a beautiful and a colorful bird. It is known as the what pride of India. It is known as pride of India because it is our national bird. Which is our national bird, children? Peacock is our national bird. Okay, children, are you able to understand this lesson? Very easy lesson, children, and I hope you are able to understand. So, in the morning, it was the turn of the beautiful peacock to start a discussion, means talking about something. Discussion means talking about something. So, what are the animals and the birds are talking about? They are talking about what the sun who has invited them in a particular place. So, they have called, who has called all these animals to assemble in a particular place, that is in the near the big rock in the early in the morning. So they started to discuss why the sun is calling us, why he's wanted to talk to us. So they started to convey their ideas. Okay, children, now turn to your page number 20. Turn to your page number 20. So you can see here particularly all the animals, those who are assembling here, they are talking to each other. So you can see how they are how they are having their conversation. First, who is talking here? You can see a peacock. So peacock, Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself, that is self up. I will sleep for a while. Here the peacock started to talk with the donkey. So you can see which animals are gathered here in the forest to meet the sun. So to meet the sun means they have not yet gone. So which are the animals? Those who are talking to each other. You can see here peacock, donkey, bee, parrot, elephant, lion, fox. All these are animals which are staying in the forest. Which are staying in the forest. First we saw that the peacock started to talk with the donkey. So they are having a conversation here. Mr. Donkey, please don't wait for me. Please don't wait for me. It is very cold. I want to warm myself up. I will sleep for a while. So here, so what the peacock is telling for the donkey, you go. I'll not come with you. What it is telling, you go for the meeting. You go for the meeting where the sun has called for you. You don't wait for me. So what is the donkey telling? You don't wait for me because it is very cold. I don't get up early in the morning. So I'll sleep for a while and then I'll join the meeting. And then I will join the meeting. Who the peacock is telling for Mr. Donkey. So what did the donkey tell here? So we'll go for the next para. Who? Why? Do you think I plan to go right now? The sun may not come out at 6 o'clock. I will slowly get ready and go. I will go at 8 o'clock. So what the donkey is telling, see what the donkey is telling. Why do you think I plan to go right? Even I am not going. So what the donkey is telling for the peacock, even I am not going so early in the morning. Who will go so early in the morning in the 6 o'clock? Because it is very cold. Even the sun will not come so early because it is very cold. So even I will go slowly and get ready. After getting ready, I will also go slowly. I will go at what time? At 8 o'clock. I will go at 8 o'clock. A little bit I'll take the rest. I mean slowly I'll go and I'll get ready. After get ready only I'll go. Who told this? The donkey said these words to peacock. So even the donkey was not ready to go so early in the morning because it was cold. It was very cold. So next we can see who was talking. Next we saw bee. Bee means, what do you mean by bee? Honey bee. Do you remember bee? Honey bee. So here the bee is talking. We can see who it is talking with. So the bee said, so then I think so I can collect some honey before I start. Later I will attend the meeting. So what the honey said, even I'll not go so early in the morning. I have some work to do. So what the honey do early in the morning? It will go and collect the honey from where does the where does the bee collect the honey from? The bee collect the honey from flowers. So what the bee said, even I'll not go so early in the morning. I have many works to do. So it said, first I will do my work. I will collect the honey before I start. Later I will attend the meeting. So later what did the bee said? Even after doing my work only I will go and attend the meeting. So here who is having the conversation here? Peacock, donkey and the bee. So what the bee said? So Then I think I can collect some honey before I start. Later, I will attend the meeting. Next, we can see the parrot. Children, have you seen parrot? So, which is the color of the parrot? How it looks, children? It is because that is the parrots are in green color. I think children, everyone have seen the parrots, no children. It looks very colorful. That is in the green color, and how the bee is, the beak is like red color. The beak looks like a red color. So parrots are very beautiful to see, like even like a peacock. Okay, children. Next. What did we see here? We saw peacock, donkey, bee, and the parrot. They had all a conversation that whether to go early in the morning at 6 o'clock or they can go after they complete their work. Okay, children. Okay, did you understand the lesson here, children? Please underline the difficult words and please read the textbook. Please read this lesson again and again. It will not find you difficult. Okay, children. Next, I will continue this chapter in the next class. Thank you, children. Good morning, children. How are you all? I have already started for second standard. That is the second lesson. What is the name of the lesson? The cock and the sun. Today I am going to continue the same chapter. Children, did you all read the lesson? I hope everyone would have read the lesson. How is the lesson for you, children? It's very interesting, no? You can see all the types of animal, those who are having conversation between each other. So I am going to continue same chapter, that is the cock and the sun for second standard from English subject. That is from English subject for second standard. So open to your page number 20. Now I have concluded till parrot. They had till parrot. I have done peacock, donkey, bee, and the parrot. So today we'll go further. We'll move on further. That is from the elephant. We saw here peacock, donkey, bee, and the parrot were not ready to go. That is in the early in the morning. They had particular works to do here. So we'll see what is the opinion of the elephant here. So all the animals and the birds gave their opinion. So we can see here. Next we have the elephant. Children, have you seen the elephant? So it is a big, huge animal. It is a huge animal. So it is very how it looks. It is very huge and big also. So you can see the tusk and the trunk. Have you seen the elephants? So it is very beautiful also. It is very friendly. When you are very friendly, it is very friendly. That is only the tamed elephant. So you can see the elephants near temples, in the forest, zoos and all. No, I hope you would have seen the elephants also. No, children? Yes or no? Yes. Next we'll continue the chapter. That is in the page number 20. We'll go for the, that is elephant. Please take out your pencil and underline the difficult words as I read. And please keep your fingers also, children. Are you doing how I say? Yes. Next, elephant. Yes, my first work is to take bath. I will go to the river. It is quite far. Is anybody interested in coming with me? So here, what is the elephant telling for other friends? That is other animals. What he told, he has first he has to take bath. First he has to take for a bath. That he has to go for the river. The river is quite far away from the forest. So he has to walk till there and he has to take a bath. He's asking if anybody is interested to come with me for the river. So what the elephant is telling, he has to take a bath, then he is going to attend the meeting. So if you want to take the bath, he has to go for the rivers and the ponds. So you can see the rivers and the ponds. Basically you can see rivers or the ponds will be in the center of the forest or in the outskirt of the forest. So who is ready here? Elephant. You can see elephants enjoy their bath in the rivers. You can see, have you seen elephants enjoying their bath in the river? They are very happy. You can see the herd of the elephants go together. They live together. Actually the elephants live together in the herds. So they go in the herds. They'll enjoy in the water. So they like very much to stay more time, to take more time in the water. So what the elephant is telling, I'll take the bath and I'll see whether to go or not. So if anyone are interested, you can come with me. So it is inviting other friends to come with him to take the bath. Okay, children. Next we'll move on for the next paragraph. We have here lion. Oh, the lion, the king of the jungle. So he is also talking to the other animals. I would rather go myself. I am the king of the forest. Other animals should gather first. I will come after after all of you. So here the pride lion, what it is telling, how it is telling, it is telling very proudly. How it is telling, what it is telling, I would rather go myself. I don't want anyone to come back of me, because I am the king of the forest. So now I don't want anyone to come with me. So the lion is not inviting anyone to come with me. So what it is telling, rather what it is telling, I can go myself alone. I can go myself alone. But other animals should gather first. What it is telling, I'll come later, but other animals should gather first near the rock to attend the meeting. I'll be the because I am the king of the jungle. So I'll come later. So you even all the animals should wait. All the animals should wait me near the rock, because I am the king, because I am the king of the jungle. So next you can see, after the lion, the fox. I am the chief minister, I will go with the king. So what the fox is telling, I will always, you can see, you can see animals which are with the lion. You can see hyenas or the fox which are living with the lion, so what the fox said, I am the chief minister of the jungle, because I will be always with the lion. So where is the thing, even I'll be there, I will go with him only. So the king, where the king goes, even I will go with the king, even I will go with the king. So who is telling? The fox is telling to the other animals. Next we can see the owl. See what the owl started to tell. You think of who should go first, but do you know how tired I am? I was busy catching mice the whole night. I want to take rest now. So you can see owls only during night. You cannot see the owls. Have you seen children any owls in the morning? No, you cannot see owls in the morning, because you can see the owls only come out during the night. During night only they have all their activities going, like catching mice, means rats and all, in the whole night. So what the owl said, you think of who should go first. It is telling who should go first, but do you know how tired I am? What it is telling, it after working so hard in the night, it was very tired means it want to take rest, it doesn't want to go for the meeting. I was busy catching. Why it was tired? Because he was very busy catching the mice whole night. I want to take rest now. So what the owl said, I have to take rest now, because in the night and all I had worked much. So next we'll see. When the sun rose in the sky, only the cock was waiting for him. The cock, who was not interested in such talk, had arrived in time. He was habituated to rising early, waiting for the sun. He did the same that day too. Slowly, all the other animals and the birds gathered after an hour. So once again, I'll read this para. When the sun rose in the sky, only the cock was waiting for him. So as I told, before the sunrise only, who will start crowing? Here we can see the cock in the early in the 4 o'clock only. So before the sun came, before the sun comes only, the who was waiting near the rock, the cock was waiting near the rock. The cock was not interested in such talk, had arrived in time. Such a talk had arrived in time. So the cock was not interested to have a conversation with any other animals. He was habituated, means habituated means it was the habit of the cock to rise early, that is to get up early in the morning and wait for the sun. He did the same day, that day too. So what he did do, he did not get up. So it was the habit, it was the duty of the cock to get up early in the morning and wait for the sun. Same thing he did for that day also. Slowly, after 1 hour, after 1 hour, all the animals gathered near the rock. The sun was very happy and praised the cock for its punctuality. So who came first there? The cock was the first to arrive near the rock, near the big rock. So here the sun praised, means he praised, telling that, oh, you are the one who is very punctual. So you can see children, even in the school also, the teachers will be giving punishment those who come late, no, those who come late for the early, that maybe your class starts in the 9 o'clock, the school starts at 9 o'clock. Many children will come very late for the class, and you are being punished by the teachers because coming late. So here, even if you come very early, what the teacher tell you, oh, very good, very good, you have come, so you have come on time for the school. So here, even the same here, who is praising means who is very happy happy. The son is very happy because the cock was the first to come for the meeting. All the animals and the birds felt ashamed. They had to not expected the turn of event in this way. The sun also announced a reward. So what happened here? The all the animals and the birds felt ashamed, means they were very shameful, because in the front of all the animals the cock was praised by the sun. The cock praised the sun because it told very good for the cock, because it came early in the morning, and all the animals were ashamed, that is ashamed. They were very not happy. They were not happy because the cock was being praised by the sun. So they had not expected the turn of events in this way. So they did not expect that this all things would go all things would go like this. The sun also announced a reward. So what the sun told, so who had come first, they will get a prize award, that is reward means any prize. So sun, from now on the cock will welcome me every morning. Here is your reward. So what was the reward? The son told, before when I come, you have to crow yourself when I come. From now on, the cock will welcome me every morning. So when the sun rise, what the cock should do? It has to start crowing. It was a reward. It was the prize of the cock. Next, he placed a crown on the cock head. It came to be known as the comb. Every today, the cock crows as the sun rises. His great comb also is attractive. So he placed a crown on the cock's head. So already it has a crown. So you can see who wears. Have you seen crown? Do you know what is a crown? You have seen crowns bearing by the king or the queen. So already the cock has the crown like type. It is in red color. It came to be known as the comb. So it is known as comb of the cock. Every today the cock crows at the sunrise. So you can see, I have already told you this. The crow started to crowing before the sunrise only. The sun comes after the 5 o'clock. But here the crow started crowing at 4 o'clock only. So his comb was been what he has placed a crown on the head. So by the what was the crown here? The comb. His grand comb also is attractive. So it is very attractive to see also. It is very attractive means it is very interesting. You can see, if the cock doesn't have a crown on his head, how you feel? He doesn't feel it is a cock at all. So if the cock if they have a comb, it is known as the cock. Did you understand, children? So you can see in this lesson they had a conversation. So you saw many animals and birds who gathered near the rock, but the cock was praised by the sun for his habituated rising early in the morning. So it was the habit of the cock to get up early in the morning. So he was the one to go to the meeting first. So he was the one to go for the meeting first. Okay, children, did you understand here? So there are many meanings here. So I will explain you this. So you saw in this lesson, interesting lesson, no, children? So you can see the cock was one which was praised by the sun, and he was being given prize also. That is, he has given reward also. So next you have meanings. Gather, I told you, come together. Come together. Gather means come together, that is to join. You can see gather. If you for example, we'll gather you all in the assembly hall. No, children, where you do your prayers. So all your friends and your other class children also gather in the assembly hall to do what? Prayers. So that is known as gathering. Praise means admire. You are praising, you are admiring by giving him prizes, or you are been telling him about his good habits. You are telling about his good habits. Punctuality, being in time. Punctuality means being in time. So already I have given you example. Punctuality means, I told you, if you are going to the school that is on time, so you will be known as very punctual to your school. Punctual to your school because you have gone on time for the school. Now place means keep. Place means keep. Keep. Reward. Reward means prize. Already I have told you reward means a prize. So who gave the reward for the cock? The son gave the reward for the cock. What was the reward? That it gave the comb on his head, kept the comb on his hand. He was rewarded, and every morning he has to crow before the sun rises. Before the sun rises. Okay, children, did you understand? So this is a very interesting lesson, no children? Okay, next I will be sending you the exercises and exercises also. So turn to your page number 22. We'll discuss this question answers. So here 22 page number, answer the following in one word. Who wanted to meet all the animals? Who wanted to meet all the animals? The sun. Who wanted to meet all the animals? The sun wanted to meet all the animals. Where did he ask them to gather? Where did he ask them to gather? Can anyone tell me? He told him to gather near the big rock. So what was the first question? Who want to meet all the animals? All the animals near the big rock. The sun wanted to meet all the animals near the big rock. Where did he ask the animals to gather? Near the big rock. Third one, when did the sun ask the animal and birds to gather? At what time he told? He told to come at 9 o'clock. So we can see here only the cock was able to gather at that is on punctual at 6 o'clock. The other animals did not come at 6 o'clock. They came after 6 o'clock, maybe like 7 o'clock. Next answer the following in sentences. Who is the king of the forest? The lion is the king of the forest. You know, no, jungle. That is, he is known as the king of the jungle. Who was the first to attend the meeting? Here, the cock was the first to attend the meeting. The other animals came after the cock. What did the sun place on the cock's head? I told you what? The crown, the comb. The crown was kept on the crown was placed on the cock head. Which is the color? Which is the color of the crown? That is in red color. It is also known as the comb. It came to be known as the comb of the cock. Did you understand, children? I hope everyone would have understood this lesson. If you please underline the difficult words and read this lesson once again. Thank you, children. I will be sending you the exercises in the WhatsApp.